Hello, I am Gabriel Oliva. I am from Rio Gallegos and a biologist. I studied biology and work here in Rio Gallegos in the university in INTA, mostly with plants, but I really do like birds. And I'm going to talk about a very special bird that lives in the Reserva Costera Urbana. You must have heard of Reserva Costera Urbana. It's an area in the shorelines of the Rio Gallegos, and this is Rio Gallegos, and all this is Reserva Costera Urbana. In this area, there's a very special bird that's the Playero Rojizo. If you like birds, there's a lot of bird books, and this is the book from Estuario del Rio Gallegos, and this is the Playero Rojizo. It's very big flocks of birds come here, and this is a very beautiful book of aves of Patagonia, birds of Patagonia, and here is the Playero Rojizo. The Playero Rojizo is this in winter time for them, and when they are not reproducing, so when they come here they are white. Some of the birds still are red and are these type of birds that they still retain the plumage when they reproduce. The interesting thing about the Playero Rojizo, that's called in English the red knot, is that it breeds. It has its eggs. They put the eggs very, very far north of Canada and Alaska, and then they come flying and they stop in certain sites. Some of them go to Chile and some go to southern Argentina. As you see, the red knots also go to Europe and all the way down in Africa to South Africa, and other populations of red knots go from in the eastern part of Asia, and they go right down to Indonesia and the coast of Australia. These are very important birds. They are very problematic because any problem that they encounter in some of these places that they have to stop and eat may cause their extinction. So it's very important that we conserve the Reserva Costera Urbana here in Rio Gallegos, and we can do a lot to preserve our birds. And this is not the only bird. There's a lot of them, and endemic birds that only live here, and make our conservation areas very important. Thank you.